Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question 38 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. Question paper code is 30/3/2. The question goes like this. During a theatre drama, a backdrop of building arches was used. The shape of the curve shown below can be represented by the polynomial p of x is equal to minus x square plus 2x plus 8, where x is the length on the stage level. Let's observe the diagram. The parabola given in the graph is a downward parabola, as a in the given polynomial is negative. The parabola touches the x-axis at 2 points, a and b, and the maximum occurs at C. Based on the figure given above, answer the following questions. Question 1. Determine the height of the arc. The maximum point in the graph is C. The maximum height of the parabola occurs at x equal to 1. If we substitute 1 in the given polynomial, then we get the corresponding y, which is 9 feet. The height of the arch is 9 feet. Question 2. Subdivision A. Find the zeros of the polynomial p of x. Which points on the graph represent the zeros? P of x is minus x square plus 2x plus 8. Multiplying the polynomial by minus 1, the polynomial becomes x square minus 2x minus 8. Comparing this standard form with the given polynomial, we have sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta is equal to 2, and product of roots, that is alpha beta is equal to minus 8. From the product, let's take beta as minus 8 by alpha. Substituting the value of beta in the sum of roots, alpha plus minus 8 upon alpha is equal to, which is alpha square minus 2 alpha minus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 8 is a constant term. Let's take the two factors for minus 8 as minus 4 plus 2. If we multiply these two, we get minus 8, and if we add these two, we get minus 2. Rewriting the equation with these two factors, alpha square minus 4 alpha plus 2 alpha minus 8 is equal to 0. Alpha minus 4 times alpha plus 2 is 0, which means alpha is equal to plus 4 and alpha is equal to minus 2. When alpha is 4, beta is minus 8 upon 4, which is minus 2, and when alpha is minus 2, beta is minus 8 upon minus 2, which is 4. So the zeros of the polynomial are 4 and minus 2. The second part of the question is, which points on the graph represent the zeros? The points A and B represent the zeros. The point A is on the positive side and B is on the negative side. So the coordinates of A is 4, 0 and B is minus 2, 0. The B part of the second question, find the span of the arch on the stage floor. The span of the arch is nothing but the length between the points A and B. The length AB is equal to the difference of the x coordinates. A is 4 minus B is minus 2, which is 6. The span of the arch is 6 feet. Question 3. Write the coordinates of the point of intersection of the above curve with the y-axis. The curve meets the y-axis at this point. On the y-axis, the x-coordinate is 0. So substituting 0 for x, p of x becomes 8. So the coordinates of the point of intersection is 0, 8. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.